Let's take you on a tour of our production process to let you see the first hand how our products are made. It all starts with the raw materials. We use only the highest quality materials, which we have carefully sourced from our trusted suppliers, in order to ensure that our products are durable and long-lasting. Once the raw materials arrive at our factory, we will carefully process and do assembling for each spare part. Our production line is staffed with skilled workers who are dedicated in producing flawless products. After production, our QC team will begin their work by examining every single finished product is in good condition. Once the product has passed the quality control, they will be carefully packed in very good condition and prepared for shipment. We will make our great effort to make sure the products arrive at your hand in very good condition. So you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.